The VEVOR 30L is a big step into commercial territory, a full 30-liter stainless tank, 600W ultrasonic power, digital timer and heater, and features like degassing and a gentle mode for delicate items. This unit is built for shops, labs and businesses that need to process large or bulky batches, dentistry labs, watch shops, automotive shops. On VEVOR's product pages and retail listings, the 30L model is presented as a heavy-duty option, and user reviews on vendor sites show solid average ratings, with many buyers giving 4+ stars for value and performance. Operating a 30L tank changes the game. You can clean many parts at once, use higher temperatures for stubborn oils, and the degassing feature helps remove trapped air so cavitation is more efficient. Customers praise its capacity and power, but also warn that larger industrial units require more maintenance, watch drain valves and power switches, and they're heavier and noisier. For most hobbyists, the 30L is overkill, but for a repair shop or small manufacturing line, it's a cost-effective alternative to pricier industrial brands. Bottom line, consider the VEVOR 30L if you need high capacity and strong cleaning power without the enterprise price tag. It's a practical workhorse for professionals, and yes, we share buy links in description box.